Hello everyone. For today's hands-on workshop, we will be deploying a React application using no-code deployment. Our platform of choice, PipeOps. Why? Because PipeOps make deployment simple, straight to the point. So we'll be deploying the React no-code application, building and launching our apps with PipeOps. So first, we would have a view of the application we are launching. This is a forked repo from G4419. This is his personal portfolio, which he has made open source. You can clone, make modifications, and the likes. So I have a forked version of it named React Portfolio, and this is the React application I will be deploying on PipeOps. So let's dive into it. First, we'll simply go to pipeops.io. If you're a new user, you click on deploy app. If you click on a deploy app, it takes you to the sign up / sign in page. So because I am already signed in, it automatically takes me to my project page, my project dashboard. If you are currently logged out, you have to sign in. If you're a new user, you need to sign up. So this is my dashboard. I currently have one server or one free server as I am on a dev plan. So to begin my deployment, all I do is click on deploy a new project. I select web project. I have three options here. I have linked repository, I have Docker Hub, and I have database. But because I am linking my application to a GitHub repo, I go with the linked repo section, right? Under here, I would select a repo source. If this is my first time coming here, I'll click on link new repo, and it gives me options to select one of the repositories such as GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. I have already connected my GitHub, so I just go ahead to select GitHub. Under select organization, I would pick my name. Then it gives me a list of repos in my GitHub. This is a repo this is a repo containing my React application I would like to deploy. So I go ahead and select this. Then it will ask me to select the branch I would like to work with. I currently want to make use of the main branch. Then I go ahead to proceed. This is my project summary, my project name, which is auto-created. This is the server name. This is the environment. This is my project repository, which I can always change in case I want to switch to a different repo. Then this is the project source, both from the repo provider, the user, and the project repo. Total cost for this is free. I click on proceed, and I come to my build settings. I'm deploying a React application, so when I select framework, I go down to ReactJS. My build method has already been selected. A recommended version is Node static front end, right? If I have some other type of deployment I would like to make using other platforms, I could select Docker, Paketo, or Heroku. But because this is not a Docker application, I would not use this. So I'm going to make use of the Node static frontend that's been recommended for me because I am deploying a React.js application. This is my build command by default. If you have a custom build command, then you can come here and modify that. This is also the build path for my application. If you have a custom build path, you can come here and also change that. Without making any further adjustments, this is my host parameter or my host environment variable. So I just go ahead and deploy my project. So here I have my build logs for this project. And all I need to do is closely monitor these logs. And in a few seconds to a minute, my application would be deployed on PipeOps in just a few easy steps. So currently, if you see up here, I already have my project listed, one project. That's because the deployment is currently ongoing. I also have a port that has been created for me here, which is port 8580. It was created the moment the deployment started. So in a few seconds to a minute, the React application will be completely deployed and we can view our application. Okay, so our application is successfully built and our site is live. So let's see. We'll click on got it. So we have our project dashboard, yes. This overview gives us an overview of our project. Our app status currently is live. This is the resource usage. This is a very small application. So this is our recent activity. We have just one, which is the current deployment we've done. This is the history. Should contain all our deployments to the successful field, but because we've had just one deployment, so under history is one. In observability, it gives us the overview of our project memory usage, project CPU usage, and file system usage. Same goes for CPU and all the likes. For logs, there's currently no logs. That's based on how the front end was written. These are a list of events that has occurred, starting from initialization, creating the image, and deploying the application. Then this is the container terminal, in which the application is currently running, and other settings, in case you would like to make modifications. So to view our project, we click on View Projects. This is the URL to our application. And voila, our ReactJS application is live. So this is his website. We have a home, we have about, I have a list of his projects, then a resume. So the application is live to our URL. So in very simple steps, we can deploy a React application using PipeOps. No code. There was no single code I wrote. Just connect my GitHub repo. In a few clicks, I have my application running.